Hey everybody, how is your day? I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we will go through some of the basics of working with functions, including how to call other functions. Functions can require arguments, but also optional arguments. This lesson will help you understand the syntax of a function and the different arguments. So let's first define basic function syntax with no arguments. Depth, simple. Print. This is a function. Okay, we just define the simple definition right here. So the function cannot be called with simple and the bracket. So we got this is a function as a result. But we must watch out for function that don't return values. Let's say we put the simple, we call the simple function and put it in the result. And let's print it out. The value of the result is result. So this is a function. The value of result is none. As a value, we got none right here because there's nothing being returned from the simple function definition. If we need a value from a function, the function must return something. So let's define the produce function. We return the this is a return value. We call it back and put it into the result. We print it out. The result value is result. Now we got the value that there's a return value. Okay, so there you go. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy it and see you in next video. So bye bye.